Hi everyone, hope you are doing really well. I'm Zahra from Moodle for Teacher Review 20 and here I want to show you how I can create a logo for our course in collaborative course design area. There are many websites and tools that allow you create a kind of design for logo, for your badges, everything. Canva is just one of the many of all those websites that we can create some limited designs as a free user or try a premium user and receive much more designs. But as a free user, I have already signed up. You see, I have entered my profile, my own account, and here homepage and all my designs, photos, and some links are available, and also at the bottom you can see some template designs. But in order to create my design, I should click on create a design, and you see there are some patterns: social media, presentation, video, mobile first presentation, and blog banner. You can, if you have a blog, you can design the banner. But what is useful for us from among all these things is, first of all, certificate. We can create certificate for our collaborative course design. You see there are some samples here. We can go into them and create some changes or find some other templates and make changes in templates by changing something. And also we can, after certificate, you can also find logo. Yes, we can create logo, label, or everything. Let's go to logo. We can create a logo as our badge and the logo of our course. As you see, the templates are available here, are recently used. I have tried these templates, and different templates. Some of them are free, we can use them. And there is a categorization: fashion logo, band logo, computer logo, food, drink, educational. There are different logos that we can begin as the first step, and then we can create some changes in them. There are a lot of them. Let's just choose one of them. For example, I can create some changes in this logo. You see, if I click on this crown, I can change the size, and I can change the design and add a picture. I can here upload a picture. I can change the background of my logo. I can add some text. For example, here if I delete this part, I can add a text here. By text, add a heading or add subheading. Oh yeah, I can change the size, or even I could add a picture, upload a picture. Okay, instead of this text, I can just add a text, for example, M40EVO20. This can be the text. I can change the color of the text. Here it became blue. We can also use these writing tools, a spacing tool, editing tool here for making some changes in this text. And also here I can add the name of I can add the name of the course or add some photos. I can upload a photo, one of the, for example, I could edit one of the badges of EVO in order to use the logo of EVO here, or because we are, of course, kind of working within the VO, so it could be added here, or I can just add, oops, I can also add the name of our course, online quizzes. It is not big enough. Let's change the font size. It should be even bigger. Good. Now let's change the color. Okay. Here there is also another box here. We can move it using this button. We can completely delete it. And also, if we want to use this one, this picture as the logo of our course, we may want to, as a kind of badge of our course, we may add some text here. Add a text. We add a text box here. Let's move it down. Should come here, and we can make it smaller, or even here, and we just write the number of weeks. For example, badge of week 1, badge of week 2, week 1, for example. You can make all the changes and even move it out of the design. You can use any of these templates and use all these features, the editing tools, the templates, these elements, all of them, in order to create a badge. Here we've got some elements. Let's use some of these elements. We can use any of these shapes to add to our courses, to create and to give more variation to our logo. For example, we can add some picture here, or adding the logo of, putting it upward, and adding the logo of EVO here. You can work a lot with these photos, templates, texts, backgrounds, and also you can upload a photo and a lot more. And finally, when you are done, let me remove this one. I don't want it. I just want to bring this box lower. Okay. We may want to add the logo of EVO upward here, and then we want to download it or share it. We can share it through through a link to somewhere we want. Share it, a link to edit with some people we want. I can share it with you. I can copy the link and share with you to be able to edit as a template or view, or also I can just download it, and here it gives us the PNG, the suggested format. Let's not change it. It can also be saved as different formats, but videos need, you need just to be a pro user. Okay. Size, I'm not making any change in the size at the moment. Let's see what happens. Here I've added it, I've downloaded it. Now I can upload this one as a photo, as a kind of let's say logo for our course. You can create a lot of different types of logos and badges for your course. Thank you so much, and I'm waiting for seeing your suggestions for new websites, for the way that you have created your logo and badge. Have a nice time. Goodbye.